So this is the Kiwi replaceable head strap for the Quest 2, and I'm going to now show you how it fits onto the Quest. Now the first thing I will say is it's very light, but it feels very durable. The quality is really good. This bit's extremely light, but also really strong, really sturdy, and lots of comfort has been built into this head strap. So it's a real premium head strap. First thing I want to show you, when you're fitting it, there's a hinge here. You want to make sure you get this hinge in the right direction. You want it to hinge upwards so that when you're wearing the headset you can hinge it up if you want to look around the room. So it doesn't hinge in the opposite direction. So make sure you check you've got the hinge the correct way. First thing you're going to want to do then is to probably fit the strap into your headset first, because this needs to go into the Quest 2, this part here. So what we'll do, to do that you need to take off your cover, which should just pop off like that. And you will need to, because this is quite a thick quality strap, you'll need to give it some curvature. So I'm going to just coax it round, just curl it a little bit so I can get it through that there's like a little nook that you can see there. So it has to literally go through like this. It can be a little fiddly. Can you see it's just coming through there now? So I'll pull it through. I'm going to keep it quite loose at the moment and I'll adjust that later. So now this part is the part that clips into this. You want to again make sure the hinge is in the correct direction. Now these bits here, these lugs do clip in until you hear a clicking sound. So you line them up like so and like so, and clip and clip. So they're both in. So that's nice and sturdy. Now what I need to do is put my eye cover back on my Quest. So that should just clip in like that. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to clip these lugs here onto these parts of the Quest. This is already on your Quest. When you remove the other head strap, that's what you were left with. So that's where your speakers are as well. So you never take that off, whatever you're doing. And these would now just clip on, and then the other one. I'm going to make sure they're on quite sturdy. If these fall off, obviously you've got a problem. These seem to be perfectly in place. So the beauty of this headset is obviously you've got this durability, strength and comfort, and it's very light. But one of the things I really like about it is when you're wearing the headset, if you want to look around the room quickly, you can tip it up while it's in situ, and then you can look around the room and then tip it back down again. So a fantastic design, and obviously very comfortable, very durable, very sturdy. But the main thing is it's very light, so you're not adding very much weight at all to your Quest 2, which is always a bonus when it comes to comfort and usability. So I think, of all the different head straps I've used the Elite ones, I've used the various third-party ones, the Kiwi one, I must say, it's far more comfortable, seems more sturdy, lighter, and this usability just makes it, for me, the absolute best one I've come across. I can't really recommend it enough. I'm going to show you in action and show you just how comfortable it is as well in a moment. So this is the Kiwi Elite Strap. I'm going to just put it on and show you how comfortable it is and show you the adjustability of it. So it goes on like this. Now, once you've fitted it, you'll need to adjust this retaining strap to your preferred size. So I want it about there. So I can play the game, but if I want to look around the room, I just literally tip up like that, look around the room, pop it back down, and away you go. Perfect design, very convenient and very comfortable to wear.
Final thoughts then, I tried a couple of games to get a comparison, so I put my third-party strap on, which I like a lot. This one's got all the weight on the forehead, so I played walkabout golf. Now I noticed that when you lean down to play golf, you're moving your head left and right, and I got quite a bit of blurred vision, which contributes to headaches and motion sickness. So I must admit, I went back to the Kiwi strap and I did find quite a few differences. Comfort wise, the Kiwi strap did seem a lot more secure. It held the Oculus eyepiece perfectly in position, so when I was looking down playing golf and I was moving my head left and right, I didn't get any kind of adjustment to my eyes. So when you get the adjustment, you get the blurredness. It eradicated that completely. I also played Resident Evil, and I find on that game it's quite frantic, you're running around, it's quite hectic, and again the stability of the Kiwi strap really held it together for me. So I must admit I did realise I do prefer it. Now I will say it feels different. It's got, instead of the weight being on your forehead like some of the other straps, the kind of weight's distributed on the back of your head and on the front of your head, so you have to adjust it a little bit and get that sweet spot, as I suppose you do with every head strap. But yeah, I did find for a multitude of games, after playing some time with various different head straps, I did actually find I did prefer the Kiwi one. I found it just held things into the correct position for much more accurately, which for me makes the experience a lot more fluid and takes away a lot of the motion sickness I get when things tend to blur or tend to kind of just go out of alignment. So yeah, very impressed with it. I think it's certainly one to consider if you're looking for a new strap, and it's certainly more durable than some of the others out there on the market. Thanks for watching.